Hello students, welcome back to Nagesh Karazgi Orchid School. I am Veena teacher. So today we are going to see exercise 1.7. Do you remember what we have studied in the last session? We have started in a last session exercise 1.7. In that we have seen write the number names in the following numbers, and also we have seen the numbers. We have to write the numbers of given number names, and also we have seen the numbers in missing numbers to continue the pattern. Okay, till C we have seen, and those are easy. I asked you to solve by own at your home. I hope you all have done that practice. Okay, today we will start, that is D question from exercise 1.7 only. What is the D question? Write the numbers in ascending order. Now first of all, ascending order means what? Ascending order means smallest to largest. Okay, now here I am going to solve that question. See, I will write once again here. No need to write, already number is there. I will explain here only. See now, they are given 36 lakhs 3,125, 4 lakhs 61,926, 61,926, 32 lakhs 45,125. This is our first question. Now we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Now we will see. First, what is the first trick when you are doing when you are arranging numbers in ascending order? First you have to see how many digit number they had given. Okay, now what I will do, I will write here how many digit number they had given. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So write 7. Now here you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Sorry, not 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Now in this 1 2 3 4 5, and last 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. See, they had given one 5 digit number, one 6 digit number, and two 7 digit number. Okay. Now tell me, of course we have to find out smallest number means that should be in smallest in digit also. Automatically less digit means less number only. So we can identify easily by giving how many digit number they had given. So you can see which is smallest, 5, 6, 7, among this number 5. Okay. So write first ascending order. What you have to write? A dot O. Ascending order. First I will take 5 digit number, because 61,926 is smallest number among these 4 numbers. I will take here. Okay, understood? So leave enough space between two numbers when you are writing numbers in ascending order. Now 5 after 6 digit number, because 7 digit is greater than 6 digit. So smallest is what? 6 digit. So I will write again 4,61,926. So again give comma. Okay. Now see. Now there are two 7 digit number. Yes. Now first, but what we have to take? Smallest only, because we are arranging numbers in ascending order. So in that case, what we have learned? Yes, how to do? So when the digits are same, in that time, so you have to underline the first digit, that is highest place. Now here is 3, and in this number also 3 is there, same are there. How to find out which is smallest? Both are same. In that case, what we have to do? We have to go with the next number. What is the next number? 6, and here 2. See, 6 is on lakhs place, 2 also on lakhs place. Now tell me, 6 lakh is smaller or 2 lakh is smaller? Yes, of course 2 lakh. So we have to write first this number 32 lakhs 45,125. Understood? Now what is remaining last? That we will copy here as it is 36 lakhs 3,125. Understood, students? Shall we move to the next question? Yes, we'll move to the next question. See, I will solve third one for you. Okay? Now we will see the third one. Okay? Now, can you read here? What we will do? We will count the digits of given number and we will write in short. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, they are given 3 8-digit number and only one 7-digit number. Now tell me which is smallest number? Yes, 7-digit is smallest number. So first we will copy that number in the first place. What is the number? 11,11,1111. Okay. Now after this we have same 3 numbers, 8-digit number only. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to underline the highest place value, means that is first digit in highest place, and we have to see which is smallest number. Now see, here also 1. Now you can see. Now look at here. See. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So 1 crore. In crore place, in 3 numbers same is there. 1 crore, 1 crore, 1 crore. So what we have to do? Go with the next number. See, in 10 lakhs place, what is there? Again same, 1, 1, 1. Again go with the next number, 1, 1, 1. Again same number is there. Okay. Now in that case, again what we have to do? We have to go with the again next number in 10,000 place. You can see in 10,000 place also 1 is there. Here also 1. Here also 1. Now again we will go with the 1,000 place. In 1,000 place also 1, 1, 1. See, they had given this question to confuse you, but you are not going to confuse. You have to solve properly. Okay. Now what we have to do next? We have to see the 100 place. Now see, in this number in 100 place 1 is there. In this number in 100 place 1 is there, same is there. But here in this number in 100 place 0 is there. See, now 0 is smaller than 1, of course. So we will take this number now. That is 1 crore 11 lakh 11,011. Okay. Now these 2 numbers are remaining. Now we will see the next number. In tens place here 0 is there and here 1 is there. Now tell me which is smaller number, 0 or 1? 0 only. Okay. Otherwise you can see in this way also. Here 101 is there, here 110. Otherwise you can see here only 1 is there. In 2 place if you see 1 and 10. So which will come first? This number only. So I'll write here 1 crore 11 lakh 11,101. So at last this number will come. That is 1 crore 11 lakh 11,110. Clear, students? Ascending order means we have to arrange the numbers from smallest to largest. Now these are very big numbers like 5, 6, 7, 8 digit number. So in that case first you have to write in short how many digit number they had given, then you solve. Okay? Understood till here? Shall we move to the next question? Yes. Now we will move to our next question. I hope you all have opened the canopy, but you are not going to write anything. Just try to understand the concept. Now see, after D, E question is there. What is E question? Write the numbers in descending order. Now, exactly vice versa of ascending order. In ascending order, what we have to do? What we were doing? We were arranging the numbers from smallest to largest. Now, in descending order, what we have to do? Descending order means we have to arrange the numbers from largest to smallest. Okay, that's it, nothing else. So, I will solve first one for you, descending order. Now, we will see. First, as I told you, these are the very big numbers, big digit numbers. So, just mention how many digit number they had given. Here 5, here 2, 4, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 8, 3, 6, 7, 8. See, till crore place they had given the numbers. So, 5 digit, 7 digit to 8 digit. Here we are arranging the numbers in descending order. In descending order, first what we have to take? Largest number. Okay. Now tell me, among 5, 6, 8, which is largest? Of course, 8 is the largest digit. Okay. Now, here we are having two numbers, that too 8 digit only. Now we will see, first what we have to do? We have to underline the highest place value, that is crore place. Now see, in the both the numbers, crore place, here also 1, here also 1. Now both are same. Now what we have to do in that case? Go with the next number in 10 lakhs place. See, in this number in 10 lakhs place 5 is there, and in this number in 10 lakhs place 6 is there. Now you can tell me which is largest number? Of course 6. Now we will take this number first, that is 1 crore 66 lakhs 31,032. Understood? Yes. Now automatically 6 after 5 will come. So we will take this number in second place, 1 crore 53 lakhs 48,732. Now we are having again two more numbers. One is 7 digit, one is 5 digit. Now no need to read the number. Without reading also you can copy the numbers. How? Because already digits are given. Now tell me, after 8 digit which number will come? 7 digit, and after 7 digit 5 digit. So copy the number in third place, that is 15,69,320, and at last 5 digit will come. Okay, that is 38,426. Understood, students? Very easy. Okay, only what we are doing, we are arranging the numbers only largest to smallest. Why? Because they are asked to write the numbers in descending order. Okay, so these numbers are very big. So what trick we are using? We are writing how many digit number they are given. With the help of that directly we are solving. Okay, now I will solve one more question for you. We will solve third one, descending order. First, what is the first trick? First we have to write the number, how many digit number they had given. See, 3, 6, this is 6 digit number, 3, 6, 7, 8, this is 8 digit number, 3, 6, 7, 8, this is also 8 digit, 2, 4, 6, 7, this is 7 digit number. Here we are having 1 6 digit, 2 8 digit and 1 7 digit. Again, now we have to find out first largest number. So when we are seeing the largest number, automatically we will go with the 8 digit number only. So we are having here two largest number. In that, which is largest we have to see. So underline the first place, highest place value, that is crore place. In the both the number, can you see here 2 crore, here 3 crore. Now can you tell me which is highest or which is largest? Yes, 3 crore is largest number. So we will take first 3 crore 23 lakhs 23,469. So automatically 3 crore after what will come? 2 crore. So I will copy that number. 2 crore 32 lakhs 32,469. Yes student, just don't copy the number as it is. You have to read the number. Okay. Now 6 digits, 7 digit. Which is largest, 6 or 7? Yes, 7 digit. So just take the 7 digit number and write here. How you have to write? By reading that number. Read the number. 68 lakhs 53,429. And at last, what is remaining? 6 digit number. What is that? 2,32,469. Understood? Clear? Is it clear everyone? Yes, very easy. And second one, you are going to solve by your own. Shall we move to the next question? Yes. Now see the E after F. What is the F question? Can you read? Yes, read the question. We have solved that question previously also, but here we are going to see. Now see the F question. What is F question? Write in words the place value of the digits in blue. See, write in words the place value of the digits in blue. They are given numbers. In that they are given one number in blue color digit. What we have to do? We have to write the place value of given number. Now let us solve our first question. What is the first question? 3846,103. Here in the question they are given in the blue line, in the blue color, but what you have to do in the notebook, you have to underline that number. Okay. First, when we want to write the given number in the place value, we have to invert the place value of the digit. What is that digit? 4. First, what you have to do? You have to place the numbers in the place value chart. Write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. So I will place here 3016483. Okay. 4 is in blue color. Now tell me, can you see where is the 4? In 10,000 place. So what I'll write here, the place value of 4 is, where is 4? In 10,000 place. So write here 4 10,000. Are you getting students? Write 4 in invert and 10,000 place 10,000. Or how you can write 4 is in 10,000 place. So 40,000. I have placed the 4. After that 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10,000 having 5 digit number and 4 zeros. Keep in your mind. Now we will solve third one. Okay. What is the third question? 1883209. Underline the 2. Okay. Now what you can do, instead of again writing the place value and place the numbers in place value chart, directly you can write over the numbers the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. See, 8 digit number they are given till crore place. In that we have to write the place value of 2. The place value of 2 is, can you see where is 2? 2 is in 1000 place. So write 2000. Okay. Or what is the second way you can write? You can write the number directly 2000. Okay, in this way. Understood? Clear? Yes. I will solve some more questions for you. Now, fifth one I will solve. What is the fifth one? 5, 6, 0, 3, 6, 9, 3, 2. Okay? We have to underline the 0. So, I will underline 0. Give the place value ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Now see, where is 0? 0 is in lakhs place. So what I will do here, the place value of 0 is 0 lakh. So write here 0 lakh. Understood? Clear? Yes. I will solve one more for you. Now seventh one we will solve. What is the seventh one question? 1836032. Now where we have to underline 1 to one number. Okay. So write the place value ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. See, 8 digit number till crore. So write here first the place value of 1 is. Where is the 1? Students, tell me where is the 1? In crore place. So write here 1 crore. Or how you can write 1 and how many zeros will come in crore place? Tell me 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Okay. You can see ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Understood till here? Yes. I will solve one more for you. That is last one, 9th number. Okay. I will solve 9th one. What is the 9th number question? 3, 2, 9, 4, 5, 6, 1, 8. Okay. Underline the 8 because they are given in blue. That is it. Okay. So write here the first. What we have to do? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Here I will not go till here because the underlined digit we are having first only. Already I had given the place value to that number. Okay. So the place value of 8 is, now tell me, 8 is on which place? Ones. So write here 8 ones, or else you can write only 8. Understood? Very easy. Now remaining second, fourth, sixth and 8th question are very easy. You are going to solve by your own. Understood till here? Shall we move to the next? Yes. Now you are having Canopy. Just have a look in Canopy. Open the page number 13. Okay. Now we will start one new concept. Here we have completed our exercise 1.7. So students, just keep on practice the sums. Whenever I teach, you have to practice immediately after all the online sessions. Okay. So now we will start our new concept, that is the international place value system. Okay. A number system that is used worldwide. Okay. A number system that is used worldwide is called international place value system. So I'll explain you one by one international place value. See, a different form of place value chart known as the international place value chart is used in the most other countries of the world, as I said now. So this international place value chart is used in other countries. Now till now we have learned about Indian place value system, that is ones, tens, 100, lakh, crore. Now what is the different in international place value system? They are having ones, thousands and millions. Are you getting? Okay, this millions is used in other countries. Okay, so now what they are given, consider the number 843491132 724563234 and 10346359. They are written as they have shown here. Okay, what they have done, they have just placed this number in the place value chart. Now this is international place value chart. So I'll tell you one by one, step by step, then we will see the numbers, how we have placed that numbers. Compare this international place value system with the place value system you are familiar with, that is Indian place value system. They said we have to compare. Okay, we will compare. The periods are marked differently in international place value system. See, what is the different? Periods are different because in our Indian system, our first 3 digit will come in ones period and second 2 digit will come in thousands period and next 2 digit we will comes in lakhs period and next 2 digit will come in crore period. Okay, but in this international, first 3 digit will come in ones period, next 3 digit will come in thousands period and next 3 digit will come in millions period. So I'll show you here. See, this first 3 digit will come in ones, next 3 digit will come in thousands and next will come in million. Getting? So the numbers are grouped into 3 periods, that is ones, thousands and million. See, you can see, they are converted into 3. They are grouped into 3 periods. Okay, the first 3 places from the right side are ones. Okay, see, I'll show you with the first example. What they said, the first 3 places from the right are ones period. Now in this question, from right, from here, these 3 places, that is 1, 3, 2, you can see where they will go in ones period, 1, 3, 2 in ones period. And the next is, the next 3 places are in the thousands period. So these are the next 3 numbers. You can see 349 in thousands period. And the last is, the next 3 places are in the millions period. Now here they are given only 2, so we have taken only 2 numbers in millions period. So the number is 84,349,132. Are you getting? So we read as they are given here. See, 84,349,132. Suppose same number we will compare with our Indian place value system. Okay, so you will understand difference between both the number. So in Indian place system, how we write in standard form? After 3 digit, after 2 digit and after 2 digit. And how we read this? 8 crore 43 lakhs 49,132. Okay, but this is Indian. Okay, now international. In international, the numbers will group into 3 periods. The same number. First 3 groups, second 3 group and remaining. So commas will come in this way. So how we will read this number? 84 millions. See, first 3 periods will come in ones, next will come in thousand, and next will come in million. So 84,349,132. When we are saying 349,000 together, you have to write, okay? But in Indian, what we used to do, this is ones period, 10,000s period, okay? And here is lakhs period, and this is crore period, okay? So here how we read 8 crore 43. Together we take na lakhs place. So here also in international place value you have to take together numbers. 84,349,132. Clear? Concept is clear about international place value chart. So now here are the two sums. Two questions they had given. You can see here. Yes, this remaining two question you try to solve by your own. Then also I will show you these answers in our next session. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.